Starting a new little job today, way down there. Got the excavator and the track loader. Gonna be doing some stumping and then filling in a washed out valley so they can use their backyard. So let's get unloaded and let's get to it. All right, well here's our little stumping job. I put the 18-inch bucket on it. It's a brand new bucket. It rips the roots a little better. Some of these trees are pretty good size. Lots of stumps down in there. A lot of stumps. But he left me a little leverage on top. I told him if he cuts them, leave them a little higher. So then we got 10 loads of sandy loam. There's a little low spot in there. So we'll use that to backfill, do whatever. So that being said, let's get to it. Anytime you're pulling on a stump like this, be very careful not to pull too hard. It can actually break off and sling stuff right back at you. I know that from experience. All right, well, I'm done with this tree stumping job. Got all his stumps. The little runoff area is right down there, so we shoved all the stumps into that bottom. He wanted to, any trees and whatnot, just push to the property boundary. So looks pretty good. I think they're gonna put a little apple orchard down here. Came out really nice. It's pretty sandy. Got that stuff cleaned up there. He's gonna put down a bunch of grass seed. He's gonna go over. I'm gonna tell him to get like a chain link fence drag to take out all my little track marks and whatnot. But came out really good, I think. Still a lot of little roots poking up here and there, but he'll go around, clip those off, and get some grass down. Should come out pretty good. There's a huge drainage gully. Let me see if I can't go down here. I mean, it's deep. I put a lot of the vegetation and debris down here. I mean, this whole thing is like 5-6 foot deep just right here. Huge drainage. That's a big hole. Some big logs in there too. But it goes way down there. I don't know if you can see that, but it's pretty steep. All right, well, time to pack up, go home. Thanks for watching.